Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free online screen recorder that you could use to record what's going on your screen. So you could record the screen, webcam, microphone, and system sound, which are the sounds coming from your computer. So they have the record screen option and also record webcam, which will just do your webcam with the microphone. So if you choose the record screen option, you could pick what you want. So we're going to do screen. I don't have a webcam, so I can't show you that, but this will do like a picture-in-picture thing if you choose this option. I'll do the microphone and the system sound. So it says it's an HD, no watermarks, and no time limits. So I'll click on Start Recording. So you also want to make sure this Share tab audio is on if you're going to record the audio from a tab here. So right now it found this other tab open in Chrome if I want to record that. Or I could do a window and record one of my open programs here at the bottom. Is if these don't show up, you might need to just kind of maximize these for a second, then go back and then they'll pop up if they don't show up the first time. And then you could also do the entire screen option. And if you do that and you want to record the system sound, you'll have to turn this on here as well. So pick the option you want, which will be the entire screen. Click on Share. So it's sharing right now. You might get a pop-up from your browser saying that it needs permission to access your microphone, so you'll have to allow that. All right, so this is going, so I could kind of toggle between my open apps here. Play some music coming from the computer. Okay, when I'm done, just click on Stop Sharing. Let's go back here, and now you have the download option. So how this right now, you might get a pop-up from your browser saying that now it starts playing it automatically right away. So what you want to do is click on the download option to download it to your computer. Do the desktop. It'll do a WebM file by default there. So if you leave this page before you download it, you're going to lose the recording, so they don't keep any of these recordings, so that's why you have to download it before you go off to a different page here. Okay, so here's our movie file here. Let's double click it to open it. So it's sharing right now. You might get a pop-up from your browser saying that it needs permission to access your microphone, so you'll have to allow that. All right, so this is going, so I could kind of toggle between my open apps here. Play some music coming from the computer. Okay, so that's pretty much how it works. And then if you don't like this WebM file, you'll have to, convert it using your video editing software or some other kind of file conversion software to try that out. All right, and they also have a screen recorder app that you could download and install on your computer, but that one you're going to have to pay for, though. Probably best off doing the lifetime license if it's something you're going to use a lot. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you could try the online screen recorder, and then you could see how it works for you. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.